Boxycharm, Boxycharm. You guys, I'm so excited because it is May, which means that we are kicking off this month with all of our unboxings, and the first one to come in is Boxycharm. And I'm very excited about this because if you guys are wondering why I didn't do my Boxycharm for last month, there was a little bit of a hiccup with shipping, so I wasn't able to get that box, which I'm so bummed about because I heard it was amazing, but I am hoping that this month will be amazing as well. So if you guys are wanting to know all the boring stuff about what it costs, how you get it, all that good stuff, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. I don't want to bore you with that stuff. You guys are just here to see what's inside the box, right? So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and open up the box. As always, if you guys want to see me do like a try-on haul instead of just an unboxing, let me know in the comments down below, because I know that they're kind of becoming more and more popular, and I mean, if you guys want to see that, I could definitely do it, although I just have always done unboxings. That's just my thing. So I apologize for my hair if it was bothering you guys. It had a mind of its own. So the very first thing I see in our box is by Cover FX. This here is a blurring primer. Ooh, I like the texture. The texture is very reminiscent of the Benefit Professional. Definitely can see the difference. It just definitely smoothed out everything on the back of my hand. Really nice. I think I'm gonna like this, you guys. I love Cover FX. I love their stuff. So let's move into the very next thing, which is the Boxycharm, and I believe this is in collaboration with Beauty Creations, and this here is a matte lip gloss. All right, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Ooh, this is pretty. You know what? I might be willing to try this out, you guys. It tastes, it smells good. It looks so much brighter on camera than it actually is in person. It's like a much deeper color than in person, and I feel like on camera it looks way brighter. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, what the contraption? Holy moly, this thing is huge. This is by Pretty Vulgar, and this thing is the Ink Blacklist Gel Liner. You guys, this thing is huge though. Can we talk about how intricate this is? This is like a beautiful design. So not last month, but the month before, we definitely got something from Pretty Vulgar. It was that blush, and it had beautiful packaging as well. But this thing, obviously, it looks like it's, holy moly, that's a lot. That's impressive. Oh, wow. Okay, this is impressive. Yeah, I'm sold on this thing. This thing is freaking awesome. Just like everything about this is awesome. This kind of like packaging is very, it's different, you know? I like it. I love it. I love it, but that's intense. Okay, the next thing I have here is a set of brushes. So it looks like, as you can see, this one here is definitely a face brush. Then you've got a angled brush, a spoolie, and then a really thin liner brush. This one I feel like would be perfect to apply setting powder all over the face, but I'm really intrigued to use this liquid liner in conjunction with the Pretty Vulgar ink liner and a spoolie, which, you know what, it's so funny because the other day I was looking for a spoolie. I actually had a brow product that did not have a spoolie, and I was like, dang it, I actually wish I had a spoolie. So I'm very excited about that. So it looks like there's something tucked in here. Again, I don't look at the sneak peeks on Boxycharm just because I like to have some sort of element of surprise to it. Oh, awesome. This is by Pure Cosmetics. So we're doing Pure Cosmetics again, which is great. I love Pure Cosmetics products. This here is called the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor, and here is what it looks like. And then once you open it, you're going to get a really nice size mirror, and you're going to get 4 different shades. I assume these are all to bronze and highlight. So the very first color we're going to swatch is called Originator, and Originator is more of like your white gold. And then the second one is called Trailblazer, which is another highlighter, and that one is more of your rose gold kind of a highlight. Then we have Inventor, which is your first contour shade. And then I had Founder, which I had to swipe twice just because I wanted to make sure that you guys could see it and it wouldn't get in the way, but very impressed with it. I'm really excited about it. I will say I'm really impressed with my box this month. a lot of good things in our box. I'm really excited about this month's box. I know last month's box was supposed to be like freaking awesome. So if you guys enjoyed last month's box, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys like this unboxing, and make sure to have that subscribe button hit. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell right next to it, because that will allow you guys to know when I upload a video, which is important. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.